You're watching Nightwing Chinese. I'm Mia. This is a new video of walking with me. Let's get started. Now it's around 6:30 p.m. Temperature 28 degrees. It's a hot, humid day. Now the humidity is above 80%. First, I wanna follow this bird for a while. And enjoy his freedom. As you can see, it's pretty cloudy today. The sky is packed with a variety of different clouds. Cirrus, cumulus, snow white ones, gray ones. Here, can you see a half moon? Still half covered behind the clouds. And this side, yeah, some gray dense clouds are painting the sky. Many dragonflies are flying crazily, rapidly. These two. Are you guys pair dancing or something? More dragonflies are joining in. This is a bagua, if I'm not mistaken. More cumulus are slowly moving across the sky. Sky from this angle is always very busy and exciting. Layers of different clouds. The lower one, the fluffy one, is so adorable. Some orange is permeating through gray. Yeah, it's about sunset time. Okay, I have walked closer to this angle and let's enjoy the sunset together. So yeah, a little bit update on the weather of Nantong. So we have finally exited that phase of plum rain season. This year it turned out to be longer, 35 days in total. But now it's supposed to be the start of a dry, hot phase. But again, we have some new guests. So typhoons, in Chinese we say taifeng. So according to the weather forecast, a typhoon is gonna hit southern coastal part of China today, tomorrow, very soon. So I think this super cloudy and windy weather in my city, which is not that south, but also on the east coast side. So yeah, it's the result of that typhoon. Look at those dark clouds. It's hard to pinpoint my feelings watching them. First, I feel something heavy, disease-like, also ambition-like. But at times, I also feel amazed by this kind of heaviness, density. It's a kind of attacking beauty. But turn around, look at this side. The sky is simply a peaceful, deep blue ocean without any waves, even any ripples. Clear, clean, like it's not real. Alright, let's end this episode here. You're watching Nightwing Chinese. I'm Mia. So we'll keep on observing how this round of typhoon will affect Nantong in the next few days. And I'll show you in upcoming videos. So stay tuned. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.